guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum and MamaEarth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. Starting off with MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum, it comes in 3 shades and I have all of the 3 shades. So I'm going to swatch them on my hands as well as on my face first. And before I do that, let me just talk about the packaging first. The packaging is really cute. It comes in this glass bottle. It's so cute and so round, and it comes with this dropper. So it's really easy to use. It's in the form of a serum and it's super lightweight. The first shade is called 01 Vanilla and this is a little light for my skin. The second shade is called 02 Peach and I feel like this is a perfect match for my skin. The third shade is called 03 Honey. This has warmer undertones and it's a little dark for my skin. So I think I'm gonna go for the second shade, that is 02 Peach. Firstly, this feels super duper lightweight on my skin. My skin just feels so weightless, as if I have nothing on my skin. And this is so easy to blend with the help of your fingers. You don't even need any makeup brushes or sponges or tools. Just your fingers will work fine. And it's giving me such a natural coverage. It feels so hydrating as well. My skin is not feeling dry at all. While spreading it, my skin doesn't feel patchy at all. It's super hydrating and I feel like my skin is looking so dewy. And can you see that beautiful natural glow that's peeking from within? My skin looks like it's second skin. And moreover, this is oil free, so it's not gonna make your skin look oily or greasy at all, but just so natural. My skin literally looks like this is my second skin. It looks so natural. It's made my skin so dewy. It's absolutely non-sticky. Even when I'm touching my skin, I don't feel like I have any product on. It's that lightweight. And can you see that glow, that radiance? It's given me a natural coverage and a beautiful glow. The glow is because of vitamin C in here. This contains vitamin C, which instantly helps to brighten up your skin, and it's also enriched with hyaluronic acid, which helps to hydrate the skin, and it retains the moisture in your skin, so it's not going to make your skin dry even throughout the day. So this is perfect for winters especially. Moreover, this is oil free, so you can also use it during the summers. It's so lightweight, it doesn't feel like I have any product on, and this is water resistant, so you can also use it during the monsoon. So basically you can use this throughout the year. I absolutely love the packaging, and this is a made safe certified product, which means that it's toxin free and it can be used on an everyday basis. And it's so tiny, you can easily like carry it in your bag while traveling and give yourself touch up throughout the day. I applied this all over my face as well as under my eyes, and it's given me a beautiful natural coverage. So it's great for an everyday use when you don't want so much of coverage, when you don't want your skin to feel like you have makeup on. This is so lightweight and it gives you the most natural coverage and such a beautiful glow. So I absolutely love this MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum and I highly recommend it. It's one of the best everyday use products. It's available in only 3 shades, so I just wish they come up with more shades to be more inclusive. But if you find your shade in this, definitely get this. It's amazing. Next up, I'm going to be reviewing MamaEarth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. Firstly, look at the packaging, you guys. It's so tiny. It's so small and so sleek. Super easy to like carry it in your everyday bag. You can also like take this on trips while traveling. It's not gonna acquire any space, and the best part about this is that it's got the lip and cheek tint over here and a mirror as well, so you can easily like touch up on the go. You don't even require a separate mirror or a separate compact powder that we usually carry for the mirror purpose. Just this and you are sorted. And this is a multi-purpose product, so it can be used on your lips as a lip tint, as a lipstick. You can use it on your cheeks as a blush. You can apply it on your eyelids as an eyeshadow. So it's like a complete makeup kit in just one single tiny little product. Super easy and convenient to carry. So this comes in 3 shades. The first shade is called 01 Beet Red, and the natural color of this lip, cheek and eye tint is derived from beetroot, which has antioxidants and it's great for the skin. The second shade is called 02 Cocoa Nude. And the natural color of this is derived from cocoa, which is so nourishing and moisturizing for the skin. And the third shade is called 03 Rose Pink. This is derived from rose petals, which has antioxidants and it's great for the skin. So they have a red, a pink and a nude, and these are all enriched with vitamin C, which adds an instant glow and instant sheen on your skin. So let me just give you some hand swatches first. This is 01 Beet Red. This is 02 Cocoa Nude. And we have 03 Rose Pink. So this is what the swatches look like, and the shades look so natural. You can use them with a brush, with a sponge, or just directly with your fingertips. They are so easy to use. These lip, cheek and eye tints by MamaEarth blend like butter. They are so creamy and so easy to work with. They feel not at all patchy and they are just perfectly pigmented. And as you can see, they just look so natural. It's given me such a beautiful tint with a sheen of glow on my skin, and it looks so natural and beautiful. My skin looks so healthy. It doesn't look like I have any makeup on. I use the shade 03 Rose Pink and it just looks so beautiful. If you want an even more natural look, like a complete no makeup look, you can go for the shade Cocoa Nude 02. This looks very natural. I literally wear this on an everyday basis, and the best part is that it comes with a mirror. The packaging is so easy to carry with. I don't even like do my makeup at home these days. All I do is just carry this in my bag, and it gives me like a full face of makeup with just this one tiny product. The best part is the mirror. It's super easy and convenient to like fix your makeup, to do your makeup on the go because of the mirror. And most of the lip, cheek and eye tints in the market don't really come with a mirror, so that's what makes this MamaEarth lip, cheek and eye tint so much more amazing than all of the other lip, cheeks and eye tints in the market. So I use the MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum on my face as a base. I use MamaEarth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint for the full face of makeup. And lastly, I'm going to go in with this MamaEarth Volumizing Mascara to finish off the makeup look. And in just 3 products, my entire full face of makeup is sorted. So even if you carry just these 3 products in your bag while traveling, you will be sorted with your full face of makeup, from your eyeshadow and eye makeup to your base makeup to all of the face makeup and lipstick and everything. Everything is sorted with just these 3 products, and you can just do your makeup in 5 minutes with the help of these amazing MamaEarth makeup products. They're also perfect for an everyday use because they are so lightweight, they just look so natural, and they are made safe certified, which means that they're toxin free and can be used easily on an everyday basis. They're even suitable for sensitive skin because they are free from toxins. So in case if you want to purchase these MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum or MamaEarth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint, the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below. You can find them on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, or you can shop them from MamaEarth's website or app and use my discount code RIYA2023 to get a 20% off. If you shop from MamaEarth's website, they'll link your order to a treat that they planned. And apart from that, you can also find MamaEarth products at offline stores near you. So you can find them at general stores and supermarkets. So that was the full face of makeup and my review on MamaEarth Hydra Glow CC Serum and MamaEarth Nourishing Natural Lip, Cheek and Eye Tint. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.